Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Jade.
And I'm Maya. Today we have a really useful topic.
Yes, today we're talking about something a lot of you ask us. How can I improve my English fast?
It's a great question, and the good news is you don't need to study for years to see real progress.
Exactly. So today we'll share 5 simple tips. Easy to understand, easy to use.
Let's start.
Okay, tip number 2. This one is about vocabulary.
A lot of learners try to remember single words, like happy, just one word.
But that's not the best way?
No, it's much better to learn words with other words. For example, instead of just happy, learn I'm so happy today.
So you learn the word inside a sentence.
Exactly. This helps your brain remember how to use the word, not just what it means.
That makes sense. So if I learn the word interested, I should also learn I'm interested in music.
Perfect example.
Tip number 3, and I think this is a big one. Speak from day one.
Yes, a lot of people wait. They think, I'll speak when my English is better.
But that's the wrong idea?
It's the wrong idea. You get better by speaking, not before speaking.
So mistakes are okay?
Mistakes are more than okay. They're necessary. Every mistake teaches you something.
I love that. So even if you only know 10 words, use them today.
Yes, talk to a friend, talk to yourself, or even talk to your phone.
Talk to your phone?
Sure, record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Listen back. You'll notice your progress.
Okay, tip 4. This one is simple but powerful. Use English in your daily life.
What do you mean exactly?
I mean, small changes. Change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English.
Oh, that's smart. So English isn't just study time, it becomes part of your normal day.
Exactly. The more you see it and use it, the faster it becomes natural.
I also tell people to think in English sometimes. Like when you're cooking, describe what you're doing in your head in English.
I'm cutting the vegetables. I'm adding salt.
Yes, simple sentences, real moments.
And our last tip, number 5, be consistent, not perfect.
This might be the most important one.
Tell us why.
Because a lot of learners give up. They study hard for 1 week, then stop for a month.
And that doesn't work well.
No, your brain needs regular practice. Even 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week.
So it's not about being perfect.
It's about showing up again and again. Slowly, your English grows, even when you don't notice it happening.
I really like that idea. Progress, not perfection.
Exactly.
Okay, let's do a quick recap before we finish.
Sounds good. Number 1, listen every day.
Number 2, learn words in groups, inside sentences.
Number 3, speak from day 1, mistakes and all.
Number 4, use English in your daily life.
And number 5, be consistent, not perfect.
5 simple tips. Nothing complicated, just real habits.
And if you do even 2 or 3 of these regularly, you'll notice a real difference in a few weeks.
Before we go, here's your task for today.
Say this sentence out loud right now, wherever you are. I am learning English, and I am getting better every day.
Go on, say it with us.
Great job.
That's it for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.